Sponge live stream. So we have started slightly later today, so that means we'll also end slightly later today. Okay, so anyway, welcome back. My name is David, and okay, I'm your host for today. Okay, just making sure that the mic is still within close range. So what we are going to do today is to continue on with the multiplayer overview to display the list of players that are or rather who are in the same league as you. Okay, so since everyone starts from bronze 3, so the server will automatically detect which league you are in, so which in this situation is bronze 3, and it will retrieve up to a maximum of 99 players at once. Okay, and displaying them in a list. So the game will retrieve them, rather the server will display the data, or rather will return the data for the list of players. And what we're going to do today is to use that data and display a list of the players. Okay, so in the past few days I've added a new sort of network detection ability to the game. So now it should be able to detect whether or not you are connected to the internet, because you do need to be connected to the internet to play the multiplayer. Okay, so as an example, okay, let me just start the game, and let's pause the background music. Okay, so if you move your selection to the challenge versus, which is the multiplayer, okay, and if you do not have and if you are not connected to the internet, okay, this error will appear. But of course I've set it such that it will appear regardless, because I just want to show you how the error will appear. Okay, and so if the game detects that you have, so the code is over here. So I've created a new manager script for this. Okay, yeah, so if you're connected, it will display either the screen for you to create your username, or the overview if you have already created your username. Okay, if you're not connected, okay, then it will show the error which you just saw. Okay, so next what we're going to do is to as I have mentioned, display the list of players and the number of trophy cups, yeah, and their usernames as well. Okay, so where that will appear, it will be to the left of your data or your stats. Okay, so once the game has detected that you are connected to the internet, okay, this is what you see for now. Okay, your username, the number of trophy cups you have, your wins, the number of wins you have, the number of losses you have. So to the left of it is what we'll be working on today. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So we'll be displaying as I've mentioned, the number of trophy cups, the username of all the players that are in the same league as you, which for now is bronze 3, since everyone starts from bronze 3. Okay, let's see. Okay, yep. So as you can see, the server has written a rather long JSON string containing all of the data that we need to display the players. Okay. Okay, so what we're going to do next is to display them. Oh, hey, welcome back, Blue Fire. How's your weekend? Okay. So I might be creating a new method for that. Yeah. So over here in this loop, okay, this is where we will display each and every player. Okay, that are, I wouldn't say each and every, but the data that is retrieved from the server, which contains a list of players who are in the same league as you. Okay, so for each gamer, display his or her player stats. Okay, but not including wins and losses. Okay, for that we will not, for the list of players, we will not display the wins and losses for each player, but just the number of trophy cups. Okay, because we don't want to flood the screen with too much information. Okay, just the critical information that you need, or the most important information. Okay. So each this gamer is one player who has a username and a number of trophy cups. Yep. So over here, okay, we'll need to call a new method to display each and every player. Okay, let me just remove this portion here. Okay, so this is for one player, or actually this is for you. So we need to sort of replicate this for each and every player. Okay, so let's create a new method. Okay, over here, so we'll call it we'll call this new method display player info at position. So we need a position for that. Okay, display info position. Okay. Hey, welcome back, Anna Sasi. How was your weekend? Okay, so this new method will be used to display the information for each and every player. So used to display the username, comma, number of trophy cards. Okay, logo for league and plus image for trophy cup. Oh. Okay, that's good to hear. So other than the haze that is going on here in Singapore, my weekend is good as well. I had enough rest in the last weekend, but yeah, other than the haze that is essentially air pollution, which is caused by Indonesia, because the farmers there are burning down forests for agriculture. So it's quite harmful to constantly breathe in haze. Yeah, and the interesting about it is that it happens every year around September, and it lasts for usually a few weeks, but maximum up to a month. And I'm not sure why. Maybe it's the culture over there in Indonesia, but they just keep doing it even after years and years of neighboring countries telling the Indonesian government to stop it, or to tell their farmers to stop what they're doing. But if I read this from their perspective, burning down forests is the fastest way to clear land for agriculture, but it's really bad for the neighboring countries if the wind blows the haze towards us. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. Okay. If they keep doing this every year, eventually they will, maybe not in the near future, but eventually they will burn down everything, which in the end they'll be left with nothing to burn. And I don't know, it's really short-sighted to do so, because you are actually cutting down the source of fresh air or oxygen for profits, which you can't bring with you when you die. So I don't see the point. Okay. Star gamer to display. Display gamer info. Oh. Yeah. I mean, as another human being, I can understand that we need resources, but if we keep doing it, I'm not sure if this is good in the long run. But yeah. Okay, let me just copy this icon number, wins and losses. Okay. Hey, welcome back, clones. Yeah, it's been quite a while since I last saw you on the live stream. So how have you been? Oh, yeah, that's kind of oh shit. Yeah, that's kind of sad. I mean, okay, maybe in the short term, maybe coal mines might be a feasible option, but in the long run, green energy might be better, because even though it's not that efficient now, I assume it's renewable. So we should invest more money in renewable energy. Maybe, for example, solar energy. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Besides the wildlife and everything that's trying to kill you. Okay, link icon. Star gamer to display. Display info position. Oops. Oh, what the? Oh. Display info position. Yeah, that's true. Wind. Okay, let's not even talk about wind. Even hydro energy, that's generated by a dam, is better. But of course, it's not as efficient as burning for oils, or fuels. But at least it's renewable. Just the same as sun and wind. Okay, start gamer to display. Okay, so we also need to display the username. Okay, so this is the leak icon. Okay. Okay, we also need to display the gamer's username. Oh. Okay, so the reason why my webcam is worse is because it is worse. Okay, then the built-in iSight camera on my MacBook Pro, because I'm using an old webcam. Okay, with this Windows machine. So right now I am streaming from another laptop on Windows, which does not have a built-in webcam, which is why I had to dig out an old webcam, okay, in order to use in combination with this Windows laptop. Okay, that's why the resolution for the webcam is kind of bad. But at least it's better than nothing. Oh. I haven't gotten to that part yet, and for Stellar Stars in the multiplayer, okay, we do not have any NPCs. So yeah, so I don't think I will run into that situation. But using the host to run the code for the NPC is one of the possible ways to do it. Okay, so I'll need to change this method. This method that displays the username. Okay, I'll need to change it so that we can pass in whatever username we want it to display. So string username to display. Okay, username to display. Yeah, right now I am leaning towards hosting a server, but I will. But Photon Unity, rather the combination of using Photon networking with Unity, it really leans towards having the physics on the client side. Okay, because from what I have read so far, the custom logic isn't really that easy for you to customize on the Photon servers. Okay, for now. Yeah, but before that we need to focus on setting up the multiplayer matches system first, or the league system first. Okay, username to display. Let's see. Okay, so I need to. So whoever is using this method, I'll use here, enter username. Oh, okay. So just the two of them. Okay, so over here we can just call the method display username at position, display info position, and okay, we'll just pass in the username of the player. Okay, and next we need to display an image of the trophy count. So it's just a small image. Let's see. Oh, so yeah. Okay, this should already display it. Yeah. Oh, hey, welcome back, David. How was your weekend? By the way, I know last weekend was kind of disappointing, but okay, just know that you are not alone in this. Okay, and display an image of a trophy cup to the right of it. So we have the username, we have the league icon, and we also have the number of trophy cups for each player. Okay, so now we need to call this method in the loop here. So okay, let's do it here. Okay. Okay, so we will display the information for each gamer. Okay, excuse me. Okay, so to do that, okay, first let me just copy and rather cut this code out and place it here. Okay, so that we can. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah. Okay, so star gamer, this gamer. Oh, okay, this star gamer. Okay, so with this newly created object, okay, we can then display the player's information. So we will just display okay, maybe 5 at once. Okay, but for now let's display everything first. Okay, but before that, okay, let me just go back to the Unity editor. Okay. Okay, so we need to create a new point to display the rest of the players. So here, okay, public vector 2. So this is where we will start displaying the you could call this as the top left corner of where we will start displaying the list of players and their data. So displaying gamers point. Okay. So we'll use the same y-axis as where we displayed your username on the right, but in terms of x-axis we'll of course move it towards the left. Okay, let's try minus 3.59. Okay, so this is just for testing. Okay. Okay, so over here, we'll use a new, rather we'll create a new vector 2 based on the display gamers point that we have defined just now. So this, and we'll pass in the data for the gamer, or for this, for each and every gamer. Okay, so we also need to change, or rather move the starting point to display each gamer. So we'll increment the y-axis as the loop goes through each and every time. So I times, okay, maybe 0.5. Okay, so that each player will be displayed, the list of players will be displayed vertically. Okay. Okay, so let's give this a try. Okay, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so most likely what will happen is a list of tags that appears maybe somewhere on the left side of the screen, and it will go down vertically all the way to out of the screen. Okay, and that's because we have not limited the number of players to display at any one moment. Oh shit. Oh, okay. So apart from using the wrong data, we also need to move it down, so it should be minus instead of plus. This star gamer. Yeah. Star gamer to display dot username. Okay, so whenever you add something new or when you change some stuff, 99% of the time it will not work on the first time. So I'm used to that happening. Star gamer to display. Star gamer to display. Dot username. Display username at position. Okay, username to display. Oh, okay. So that was my mistake here. So I should change this to okay, so I should change this to this gamer. Okay, star gamer. Oops. Username dot value. Okay. So that was my mistake there. And let's see this gamer. Okay. And we need to sort of leave a bigger gap between the players. So let's try 1.0. Okay, so here goes nothing. Oh shit. Okay. Give me a second here. Not present in the dictionary. Oh, okay. Dot value. Dot to upper. Okay. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, this time it should work. Let's go. Okay, so so we have oh, okay, why are there two orbs? Okay, I think I know why. So we need to change the position of the trophy cup as well. Okay. Display info position here. Last X. Display position. Oh, okay. So over here, okay, we'll change this to display position. Okay. Yeah. So that means for this here, okay, we do not need to minus 0.35 anymore. So that's just to offset to align it. Ouch. So we should, oh shit. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we have some sort of alignment issues here. Okay, so starting with the display number and position. Okay, let's see. Okay, so starting with your own data that we have to display, which is your number of trophy cups. Okay, it's not shown, or just now it's not at the right position. Okay, minus 0.35. Okay, so what if we remove this? Okay, so that reminds me, because we still need to create a small background image for each and every player. Okay, so we have to make sure to do that. 0 and oh, okay. Yeah. So just for our own data here, we'll need to minus 0.35. So this is for your data and not the other players. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so your data is still on the right, and everyone else is on the left. Yeah. Okay, but now, okay, we need to move, say, minus 3.59. Okay, I'll need to move. Yeah, I'll need to move this to the right. So somewhere around here. Minus 3.23. And 3.01. Okay. Okay, so I'm just modifying where at the current screen or at the screen where you are. I'm just repositioning, okay, so that we can centralize both of the left and right side of the player overview. Okay, so at least now it should be slightly to the right. Yep. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's display a maximum of 5 to 6 at once. Okay. Oh, and before that, we actually need to design the background, a simple background for each and every player, and that includes your own. Okay. So let me just sort of use my MacBook Pro on the side to quickly create a background for it. Okay, so just give me maybe a few minutes. Okay, in the meanwhile, if you want to chat about anything, feel free to do so. Or if you want to ask me about anything, be it food, the weather, the culture, I don't know, anything you wish to chat about. Okay, so I'm just going to move my chair slightly to the right. Okay, so just give me a few minutes and okay, while I create the background image for each and every player. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, before that I will need to check the maximum number of characters reached. So 13 characters here. Okay. So over here, this is what defines the maximum number of characters you can have for your username. Okay, so based on that, I will create a background image that is long enough for 13 characters and for the other images that will be within this sort of background image or player data holder image. Okay, by the way, I do not have my drawing tablet with me, so I'm kind of using the touchpad and my mouse. Okay, so I might be slightly slower than usual. Holy shit. Hey, that is really huge. Yeah, 18 inch is kind of big. Oh. Yeah, since I assume since the surface area of 18 inch is big enough for you to sort of leave each and every, or rather to not leave each and every spot untouched. It gives you a lot of space. Yeah. But is it hard to move around since it's that big? Oh. Yeah. So, but I assume since it's big enough for you to draw any areas of your canvas, I assume you do not really need to move it around that much. Okay. So the tablet that I'm using, I don't have it with me now, but I'm not sure if I have already shown you what I'm using. But I'm using the Wacom Bamboo, so it's even smaller than an A4 size tablet. Yeah, so the surface area for you to draw on is really small, but I guess the only good point, or the only thing that I like about it, is that it's easy for you to move around and bring about. So it's really mobile. Yeah, that I guess is the only good point about it. Okay, let me go to Dropbox. Hey, what's up, Windsor? Welcome to the live stream. How's your day? Oh, yeah. I wouldn't call that large. I would call that extra large. But so how was the upgrade? Okay, so I've created a simple background for each player. Okay, so it's not really that big, but just big enough for displaying the information about each player. Okay, so let me just create a prefab for this. Okay, multiplayer here. Okay, here we'll create a new prefab and let's call it yeah, each gamer BG. Oh, okay, that's kind of a waste. You should try to use it as often as you can. Shift it. Okay. Okay, so let's go back to Visual Studio here. Back to the multiplayer scene manager script. Okay, and over here, okay, I'm going to create a new game object variable. Okay, let's call it H gamer BG prefab. Okay, and going back to the editor here. Okay, we'll link the prefab with our script. Okay. Okay, now that we have linked them out, okay, we can then display it for each and every gamer. So in the display gamer info at position method here, okay, we'll create the background here. So game object each, or rather we just call it gamer BG for background. Okay. Instantiate the prefab, so each gamer prefab. Okay, so this is where we will display it behind the information that we have displayed. So gamer bg dot transform dot position equals to new vector 2. Okay, display info position dot x. Okay, we'll use the same x coordinate for now, but in terms of the y, we'll maybe minus a small offset. Okay. Okay, what else do we need to do here? Okay, let me see. Okay, so what we can do here is to okay, we can also link the game objects that we have created with the Star Gamer object. So when we eventually get to destroying them, we can also destroy the game objects that we have created for each and every gamer. So we do it once in the loop. Okay, so let's move over to the Star Gamer script here. Okay, so over here, okay, I'm going to create a new array list. Okay, so public array list. Okay, created game objects. Okay, and each time we create a new Star Gamer, we create a new array list. Okay, and here I'll add a new method called destroy gamer objects. So this is when we need to destroy the information that we have displayed. So for example, in situations such as when you start a game, or when the match starts and you move away from the list from displaying the multiplayer overview, or when you go back to the starting menu, okay, we have to destroy them. Okay, so here, so this is, you could call this preparing for what's coming next. So count equals to created game objects dot count. So we use a simple loop here, a for loop. Okay, we will loop through each created, or rather each game object that was created for this gamer, comma, and destroy it. Okay, so game object created object goes to, okay, game object created game objects I, and we will destroy it. Okay, and last but not least, when we get out of the loop, we will clear the array list. Dot clear. Oh, hey, welcome back, Kabarooks. How was your weekend? Okay, so going back to the multiplayer scene manager script, which which manages almost everything related to displaying information for the multiplayer mode. Okay, here in this loop, okay, this is where we display each and every gamer, or rather, this is where we display the information for each and every gamer. Okay. Okay, so over here I will also create a new array list, okay, to store the data for the entire list of gamers. So array list, okay, star gamers list, okay. Okay, so we will not initialize the array list from the start, but okay, we will only do so when we have retrieved the data. So that is at here. Okay, the send request stack. Okay, and within the wait for request method here, okay, show player overview. Okay, so we can do it here. Yeah. So if so we can check first if gamer list star gamers list dot count is greater than 0. We will clear it. Or actually we do not need to do so. In fact, let me just copy this line and paste it here. So star gamers list so over here we'll just initialize it here, since we only want to do so once. Star gamers list. So we'll add each and every gamer to the star gamers list, so that when we need to destroy everything related to them, we will loop through each and every gamer and destroy all of the related game objects that were created to display, or that were created in the beginning for displaying of the information. So over here, star gamers list dot add this star gamer. So add to an array list so that we can keep track of it. So for now, we will test the alignment or the accuracy, or how accurate we position the background for each and every player. So let me just give this a test run. So if this works, then the next thing that we need to do is to limit the number of information, or the number of gamers that we display information for at once. So it will be something like a scrolling table, where we only display 5 at once, 5 to 6. So we are waiting for Unity to process the changes, which sometimes takes a while. So it was repacking the sprite sheets, I think. So are you good at multitasking? Oops. So let's see. We have to move it up and to the right. So that means we do not need the Y offset, and okay, from this 22. Okay, so we have to move the background backwards in terms of the Z axis, and we also need to change the position here, so maybe 0.35, but not for this. Oh, and just before I forget, okay, we also need to add the game objects that are created to the array list inside each gamer. So star gamer to display dot created game address dot add gamer bg. Okay, display number at position. Okay, this means that we also need to okay, outside the to do here, we also need to add the username, the icon for the league, and the number of trophy cups, and the image for the trophy cup. Oh. Yeah. I guess it depends on what you're doing. But I'm not actually a believer of multitasking. Yeah, I rather focus on doing one thing, one specific task, and putting 120% in it before moving on to the next. Oh, minus 0.1, 0.1. Okay, let's see over here. Plus 0.35. Okay, so this means that we also need to increase the gap between each player. So 1.5. Oops. Okay. Okay, let me click this again. Okay. Okay, so we need to say move it down and to the right. Okay, maybe just 0.25. Okay, and to the right, 6.5. Okay, let me try this one last time. Okay, before I go off for lunch, as currently my stomach is grumbling. Okay, but worry not, because I'll be back. I'll be live again later after lunch. So later, if you're still awake, or if you're able to catch the live stream later, I'll be streaming again later. just need to move it to. So over here, let's try 175. Okay, 75. Yeah. So that's alright. So that means 4. Okay. So we'll be displaying 5 at each moment. So at any one time you just display 5. So that's the next thing that we need to do. Okay. Oops. Okay, so I'll be going off for lunch, but I'll be back later after lunch. So I'll be live again. So yeah, looking forward to chatting with you again after my lunch. Yeah. So I hope that you have enjoyed this morning's live stream, and have a great day ahead if I do not see you later. Okay. So see you later, guys. Okay, and I'm off for lunch. Cheers.